Meaning of impotently.
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 Impotently. Impotently is an adverb that means lacking power or ability to take effective action. It describes a situation where someone is trying to achieve something, but is unable to do so due to a lack of strength, resources, or influence. This can lead to feelings of frustration, helplessness, and despair. When someone acts impotently, they are often unable to achieve their goals and may feel demotivated or defeated. In summary, acting impotently can result in a lack of progress, and may leave individuals feeling powerless and without agency.